Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to archive messages Microsoft Outlook on computer. So how to archive messages Microsoft Outlook on computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Microsoft Outlook on your computer. And this is the initial display on Microsoft Outlook. To archive messages or mail Microsoft Outlook, just point the cursor to the top left of the computer. Here there is a 3-line icon. And tap. Well, here you appear. Tap your account, as I demonstrated. Next, many options will appear. Tap Inbox. Next, point the cursor at the message that will be archived. And tap right on the selected message. Well, here a scrolling menu will appear that you can use. To archive messages, select Archive. Well, here the message disappears by itself. We see in the Archive menu. Well, here you can see the message or mail has been successfully archived. So that's it, tutorial how to add voice recorders in Microsoft Outlook on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.